Quitting tobacco is more than just hard. It often takes 7 or more tries to successfully quit. And whether you've quit once, twice, or several times before, you can double your chances of success with Oklahoma Tobacco Helpline. The helpline makes quitting easier for free because everyone is different and nothing should stand in the way of a tobacco-free life. That's why the helpline's free services are made for you. Get free patches, gum, or lozenges to get you through those tough moments. If doubt, stress, or worry is weighing you down, free and encouraging coach support is just a call or text away. And personalized online services connect you with the help you need when you need it. Sign up for the Oklahoma Tobacco Helpline. Call 1-800-QUIT-NOW. Text READY to 34191. Or visit okhelpline.com to find free quit support that works for you. A program of TSET.